We have another fungal toenail. She has tried 2 rounds of Lamisil, which is harsh on your liver. I usually only recommend 1 round. Did you talk her into that second one?
No, but they did check my liver both times.
Good. So we actually prescribe Lamisil a little differently. We do pulse dosing, which is over a year. We do 1 week a month over a whole year. So it's a little safer on the liver that way, but we check it as well. Okay, let's get under there.
So we're taking it completely off?
We're going to remove the whole thing because now that she's failed the Lamisil twice, what I'm going to do is remove the nail so we can start with a clean slate. After the wound heals, she's going to come back in and then we're going to laser the nail bed itself.
And why do we laser the nail bed?
Well, because we want a new, healthy looking nail. We don't want this fungus. If I remove the nail and she didn't do the laser and didn't have any other treatment, it would come back in looking the exact same. Thickened, discolored, crumbly. I mean, so then at that point, it'd be futile to even remove the nail. But she's ready. She's tired of this toenail.
And does the laser stimulate growth as well?
The laser will not only, it will promote nail growth, yes. Normal nail growth is about 1 millimeter a month. Almost there. With the laser, it speeds it up quite a bit. You're still looking about a year. There we go. Maybe we can see some fungus under there. Oh yeah, right there, see? That's fungus attached to the nail plate itself, and that was digging into the nail bed. So, no patients were injured in the making of this video. If you need to have your nail removed, please call me. I'm here to help.